So this video is just for the definitions. A circle is a set of points that are equidistant, meaning that they're all the same distance. So points that are equidistant from a specific point called the center. So checking things out here, in our circle here we've got several parts. We're going to start with the radius down here in red. The radius, and the radius measures from the center to the circle, and the symbol for that is lowercase r. The diameter, that measures, that's this one right here, and it measures the distance across the circle, and it measures through the center, and we use a lowercase d for that. Lastly, we have the circumference, and the circumference is measures the distance around a circle. Or you might know it better as perimeter. So here, circumference. And that goes all the way around the circle like so. So, by the way, here we have our center to our circle. I didn't mention that at the start. So we have diameter, radius, circumference, center, and the circumference we use a capital C for. Finishing this up then, diameter to radius. So if I have a diameter, to get the radius, we just cut the diameter in half. If I'm going from radius to diameter, so if I have a radius, what I do to get the diameter is I double the radius. A circumference, on the other hand, is pi divided by d, pi times d. Sorry, students came in and someone tried to talk to me. So circumference is pi times diameter, or the circumference is 2 pi times the radius. Pi is always the ratio of the circumference of a circle to the diameter of the same circle. What this means is that pi is always the same no matter the size of the circle. If you really want to know more about pi, there's a couple other videos on the Schoology page. Pi is what we call irrational. That means it cannot be written as a fraction of two integers. It also means that as a decimals, the digits never repeat or terminate. The decimal approximation of pi we'll use in class is 3.14, and the fraction approximation that we use in class will be 22/7. And we use this fraction when the diameter or the radius is a multiple of 7.